Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Omegle server was unreachable for too long error. So the first thing what you can do here, you can clear Omegle website cache, and to do so you just need to load up omegle.com and then right click on it and then go to inspect. And once you're here, then you need to find application here. If you don't find the application, you need to just expand this menu here, and then you need to just press on application and then storage, and then you just need to clear site data here. And once you do that, then you can close this window, refresh the site here, and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, sometimes it can cause, this error can cause your plugins. And so basically what you need to do here, you need to disable your extensions or plugins. So just you need to just go to on the top right corner where it should be here 3 little dots or 3 little lines here, and then you just need to go to extensions here and just disable all the extensions that you're having here right now. And then you just need to refresh the page and you need to see if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then try to basically load up Omegle from a different browser. So if you're using Google Chrome, try Opera, Mozilla Firefox, or others, and vice versa. And you need to look if on other browser problem is solved. And if it's not, then another thing that you can do here, you can update your browser. And to do so, on the top right corner, you should see menu. Then you need to go to settings and then scroll down until you see about Brave. It's basically the same on Chrome as well, but here you will see about Chrome here. And then you just need to look if your browser here is up to date. So if it's up to date, you will see this little check mark that says your browser is up to date, and if it's not, it will update automatically. And then you just need to refresh your browser here and look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then what you can do here, you can change your DNS server address. And to do so, on the bottom right corner, you should see your network on the system tray. You should see your network access. So just right click on it, go to network and internet settings, and then you need to go to advanced network settings, more adapter options, and then you should see your internet here. Go to properties, and once you're on this window, make sure that internet protocol version 6 is disabled, and then just double click on internet protocol version 4, and then just press on use the following DNS server addresses here, and on preferred DNS server you just need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you just need to write 8.8.4.4. Press OK and apply the changes, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then the last thing that you can do here, you can clear your DNS cache. And to do so, on search you just need to write cmd or command prompt, and then just right click on it and press run as administrator. And then you just need to basically enter these commands one by one. So the first one is ipconfig renew. Just copy, paste it here, and press enter. And then ipconfig /flush DNS. Just copy, and here just paste it. Then nesh int IPv4 reset, nesh int IPv4 v6 reset, nesh win HTTP reset proxy, and ipconfig /register DNS. And after you put all these commands one by one, then just restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. But if you apply all these fixes, the problem should be fixed, right? So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.